Namaste, good morning, good afternoon. Myself Manisha Gauchala and our topic is going on conjunction. Today we do one more exercise related to conjunction. In this exercise, I will give you two sentences and you use the conjunction and join the sentence. Join these pairs of sentence with a suitable conjunction. It's our exercise name. Topic is going on conjunction, so we write conjunction. Join the pair of sentence. Number one is a part. I have a bicycle. I have a bicycle. Number B, I have a scooter. I have a scooter. Number 2 is a part. He worked hard. He worked hard. Number B, he could not succeed. Could not succeed. Number 3, you can buy a chocolate. So a part. You can buy a chocolate. Number B, you can buy a pastry. Pastry. Number 4, he did not a part. He did not go to school. Number B, he was not well. Number 5, Raj Rani was knitting Madhu was teaching. Stitching. Okay. We use the conjunction for joining the sentence by own. We have not give the list in this exercise. I have a bicycle, I have a scooter. मेरे पास दोनों चीज़ें हैं, bicycle भी है और scooter भी है. तो how I join the sentence? I have a, क्या यूज़ करेंगे हम यहाँ? I have a bicycle and scooter. bicycle, we use the conjunction and join the sentence. And scooter. No need to write this thing again because we write only one time. He worked hard, he could not succeed. He worked hard, but he could not succeed. You okay? Two sentence है और it's we use but. You can buy a chocolate, you can buy a pastry. या तो आप you can buy आप चॉकलेट ले लो या आप पेस्ट्री ले सकते हो. ओके, इट्स अ कंडीशन, दोनों में से कोई एक चीज लेनी है. You can buy a chocolate या और a pastry. Okay, you can buy a chocolate or a pastry. He did not go to school, he was not well. He did not go to school because he was not well. क्योंकि वो because he was not well. This one. Raja Rani was knitting, Madhu was stitching. ओके, ये काम कर रहे थे और मधु स्टिचिंग कर रही थी. तो चलिए, राज रानी was knitting and Madhu was stitching. ओके, ये हमारे 5 सेंटेंस हैं. नंबर 6, इसके आगे का हम और कंटिन्यू करते हैं. I think you all are understand. We erase all 5 sentences. Number 6 is number 6A. I helped him. B. He did not help me. He did not help me. Number 7. A. Sangeeta is intelligent Sangeeta is lazy. Sangeeta is lazy. Number 8. We ran fast. A. We run fast. We caught the bus. Number 9. His father. A. Father. His father is rich. B. Her father is poor. Okay? The same thing, use the conjunction and join the sentence. I help him, he did not help me. I helped him, but he did not help me. He did not help me. Sangeeta is intelligent and Sangeeta is lazy. Sangeeta is intelligent. Sangeeta is intelligent. Sangeeta is lazy. But Sangeeta is lazy. Sangeeta इंटेलिजेंट है पर वो आलसी भी है. बट किंतु वो आलसी है. संगीता इज lazy. We ran fast, we caught the bus. We ran fast, while we caught the bus. While we caught the bus. His father is poor, her father is, his father is rich and her father is poor. उसके his father is rich but her father is poor. ओके ये हमारी बहुत सिंपल एक्सरसाइज थी रिलेटेड टू कंजंक्शन जो एग्ज़ाम में आती है. 2 सेंटेंस दिए हुए होते हैं और आपको उसको यूज़ कंजंक्शन का यूज़ करके आपको उसको रीराइट करना होता है. इसकी प्रैक्टिस करने से ही ये आती है और हम मार्क्स अच्छे से स्कोर कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू. प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट्स भी डालिए. थैंक यू.